Hey, it's Shai Sarai, and welcome to another vlog. Today we are hitting up a couple of blown glass museums, starting with the Chihuly Garden and Glass exhibit at the Seattle Center. Let's go.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
All right, so the Seattle exhibit is a bit short at $37.50 per person. I did expect a little bit more, but the art pieces we saw there were absolutely stunning. Like, I was really in awe that someone created them just by blowing glass. Like, so crazy. And I definitely recommend going when the weather is nice so that you can enjoy both the indoor and outdoor displays. So now we're about to head about 35 miles south to Tacoma to check out the Chihuly Bridge of Glass and the Museum of Glass. Okay, so the Bridge of Glass is free for anyone to walk through, but it is $20 per person to go to the Tacoma Museum. There was a lot to see, but not a lot of wow factor like the Seattle exhibit, but still tons of talent, and I do recommend visiting. And we are headed home. I hope you enjoyed this little tour. Please let me know if you have any questions. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon, okay?